Tracking your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. The possibility of flash flooding cranks up throughout the day across Arizona as all of the areas highlighted in green, including the valley, under a flood watch through 11 o'clock tonight, meaning conditions are favorable for storms to produce heavy rain and, of course, that flash flooding concern. Now, as far as storm chances for the rest of your Wednesday, they'll be on the lower end in the morning, but climbing through the afternoon, peaking at around 60% by midday and also the early evening, with temperatures only warming up into the lower 90s, well below average for this time of year. In fact, futurecast for the rest of the day showing again these pulses essentially going through from the valley along the 17 toward the high country, where the possibility of excessive flash flooding really cranks up later on today. And again, more storms rolling in from the south and southwest through 5 in the afternoon today, so the rush hour commute could be an interesting one for parts of the valley. And then by tonight, we still see that chance of rain throughout portions of Maricopa County all the way through the Navajo Nation. And then by Thursday, we'll see a few spotty showers, and then that's about it as far as rain chances for several days. Now, as far as the best shot for storms, again, that'll be this morning and this evening. And then by Thursday, we begin to slowly dry out with still the chance for an on-again, off-again shower or storm. Highs today staying below average. We're right around 99 for this time of year, but today highs will be anywhere from 89 in Anthem to 90 in Cave Creek, 92 in Scottsdale, 93 in Mesa. A few areas a little warmer than that, including Chandler, Gilbert, and Queen Creek, all at 94. Across northern Arizona today, highs only in the 60s. In Flagstaff and Heber, you'll be near 70. Show Low in the lower 70s. And across the lower deserts today, highs generally in the 80s and low to mid 90s. Futurecast, though, is showing the rain chances essentially moving on out of here by late tomorrow into Friday, and then by the weekend, we'll notice this big ridge of high pressure build that will allow for those rain chances to go out of here and those temperatures to climb back well above average. Now, here's your 7-day forecast. We go from 93 today with that chance for storms at 60%, going down to 20% on Thursday, the first day of fall too, with a high of 96. And then we heat up by Friday into the upcoming weekend with highs anywhere from 100 to 102 degrees through Sunday. A little warmer still on Monday with a high of 103 and lows near 80, and still hot on Tuesday with a high of 102. But today will be the best shot for storms out of the next 7 days at 60% with a high of 93.